Chapter 7 Models. Let's warm up. Initiative and self-direction. Match the words to their function. 1. Can. A. To talk about inability. 2. Should. B. To talk about the absolute need not to do something. 3. May. C. To talk about ability. Mustn't. D. To give a polite suggestion. 5. Can't. E. To ask for permission politely. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. Can you take this book? I can speak German. I cannot run fast. What do you observe? Let's learn conceptual learning. In the above sentences, the colored words are models. The verbs that are used with action words to express preference, intention, ability, inability, permission, obligation, advice, suggestion, and possibility are called the models. Here are some commonly used models. Grammar link models are also called modal auxiliary verbs or modal auxiliaries. Can. This modal verb expresses ability, inability, offer, suggestion, permission, request, and possibility. For example, A. I can speak English fluently. Ability. B. I cannot speak French. Inability. C. We can gift him a guitar. Suggestion. D. Can I go on a picnic with my classmates? Seeking permission. E. You can go on a picnic with your classmates. Granting permission. F. Can you bring the bags? Request. G. It can rain heavily at any moment. Possibility. H. I can share my lunch with you if you like. Offer. Could. This modal verb expresses ability in the past, polite permission, polite request, polite suggestion, polite offer, and possibility. For example, A. I could ride a bicycle fast. Ability in the past. B. Could I go for a movie with my friends? Polite permission. C. Could you bring me a glass of water? Polite request. D. You could sing a song for us. Polite suggestion. E. I could lend you some money if you require it. Polite offer. F. It could get cold by evening. Possibility. May. This modal verb expresses possibility, permission, and polite suggestion. For example, A. I may have dinner with my friends. Possibility. B. May I use your washroom? Permission. C. May I help you? Polite suggestion. Should. This modal verb expresses advice and obligation. For example, A. You should go and do your homework. Advice. B. You should greet people with a smile. Obligation. Will. This modal verb expresses future possibility, request, and promise. For example, A. I think the delivery boy will come within 20 minutes. Future, possibility. B. Will you come with me to the market? Request. C. I will complete the project soon. Promise. Must. This modal verb expresses strong obligation, possibility, and suggestion. For example, A. You must stop your car when the traffic light turns red. Strong obligation. B. He must be tired after the long journey. Possibility. C. You must go to the book fair. Suggestion.